Welcome to AI for Business, your daily update on everything happening in the world of artificial intelligence. In this episode, we explore key developments in AI, including OpenAI's upgrade to its operator agent, Microsoft's new weather prediction system, Oracle's major Nvidia chip investment, and Google DeepMind CEO's insights on the future of work. We'll also share an AI tool that manages your entire social media workflow and share a prompt tip to turn dry ideas into scroll-stopping headlines. OpenAI has just announced an important update to Operator, its AI agent that can browse the web and use software in a cloud-based virtual machine to carry out user tasks. The company is moving from a custom version of GPT-4o to a version built on o3, one of its newer models focused on reasoning. This change improves performance on tasks that involve math and logical thinking. OpenAI has trained this updated o3 operator model with extra safety data, including special examples to help it learn when to confirm or reject actions while using a computer. Microsoft recently introduced Aurora, a new AI model designed to predict air quality, hurricanes, typhoons, and other weather events with high accuracy. According to research shared in the journal Nature and on Microsoft's blog, Aurora performs better and faster than traditional forecasting methods. It was trained on over 1 million hours of data from satellites, radar, weather stations, simulations, and past forecasts. The model can also be fine-tuned with extra data to make more specific predictions. Aurora has already shown strong results in real-world situations. It predicted the landfall of Typhoon Doksuri in the Philippines 4 days ahead of time, earlier than expert forecasts. Although the model needed a lot of computing power to train, it can now create forecasts in just seconds, compared to the hours needed by traditional systems. Microsoft has shared both the source code and model weights publicly. For everyday users, a version of Aurora already powers hourly forecasts in the MSN Weather app, including details like cloud cover, bringing this technology to a wider audience. In a major update for the AI industry, the Financial Times reports that Oracle plans to spend about $40 billion on Nvidia's high-performance chips to support OpenAI's new data center in Texas. This large-scale purchase will secure around 400,000 of Nvidia's top-tier GB200 chips, which Oracle will use to provide computing power for OpenAI. The Abilene, Texas site is part of the U.S. Stargate project, an effort led by leading AI companies to strengthen the country's position in the global AI race. Oracle has agreed to a 15-year lease for the site, which is expected to be fully functional by the middle of next year. Google DeepMind's CEO, Demis Hassabis, is warning that major job disruptions from AI are likely within the next 5 to 10 years. On a podcast, he urged teenagers and young people to begin preparing now for a future where AI plays a central role. Hassabis said this shift will define Gen Alpha in the same way the internet influenced millennials and how smartphones shaped Gen Z. Although he acknowledged that AI will replace some jobs, Hassabis believes new roles will appear that are often more valuable and interesting. He encourages young people to start learning how AI tools work, saying those who understand them will be better prepared for future opportunities. For those planning for university or entering the workforce, he advises becoming highly skilled in modern technologies. He emphasized that a strong background in STEM, especially coding, is still important, but also highlighted the need for broader abilities, such as creativity, flexibility, and resilience. He calls these meta skills that help people keep up with rapid changes. Today's AI tool to try is Social Bee, which simplifies social media management by combining several features in one platform. It allows users to create content, schedule posts across multiple platforms, publish automatically, and track content performance. This saves time and keeps your social media presence consistent without switching between different tools. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about making dull content more engaging. When you're dealing with dry technical material that isn't drawing attention, try using a tabloid-style approach to reframe it. This doesn't mean twisting the truth. It means presenting accurate information in a way that sparks curiosity. Try using the following prompt. You're a tabloid editor rewriting this boring pitch into something people can't scroll past. Give me 3 clickbait headlines that still tell the truth. This technique adds the curiosity factor your content needs to stop people from scrolling and start clicking. And that wraps up today's episode of AI for Business. If you found today's insights helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on what's happening in the world of AI. Sharing this podcast with a colleague or friend interested in AI brings these important updates to more people just like you. We'd also appreciate it if you left a quick review. We'll be back tomorrow with more news, tools, and tips to help you navigate this changing technology space.